astrologers on Reels, I feel like they are the
That-
shit.
Dude.
They know my life from the day I was born till the day I'm going to die.
Exactly.
So wait, are you saying Chotu Sa Bechara Mera Bhai was a good thing?
Of course it was.
Of course it was.
It was
It
great.
was a great thing.
I mean,
Yeah.
I watch it 3 times daily. How do you think it got to
Yeah,
those
yeah.
numbers?
Exactly. You know, I keep watching those videos. Those videos are all over my For You page. 3 number wale log.
Oh my god,
बड़े
dude! I
शांत
fucking
होते हैं.
believe those.
Dude, the number of tarot card readings on your For You page is directly proportional to your mental health at that point in time.
Garden was in the middle. This
The
focus
nun was
thing-
based on our.
The nun actually was shot in our school.
The nun was from our school. होता है भाई.
होता है.
बहुत
अरे
होता है भाई.
तेल में डालते तो होता है.
अच्छा, you're not putting oil in the.
No.
अच्छा, okay.
गैस
Don't
चालू
put
है कि
oil.
नहीं?
गैस चालू है ना भाई.
अच्छा, मुझे
Hi guys, I'm Srishti.
I am Zia.
I'm Sanjana.
And we are Besharam.
So guys, this week I was thinking,
Hmm.
okay, like when we were younger, right? We had so many like rituals that we needed to do. So if you guys remember, like when we first got our phones, maybe like some people, they had their first social media was like Facebook, and like others you had, you know, BBM, Messenger, whatever,
Hmm.
the works, right? WhatsApp, like your mom's WhatsApp mostly.
Oh my
Yeah.
god, yes.
Right?
I
And
my mom's phone was everyone's phone.
I swear, dude,
Mom's WhatsApp,
I'm
everyone's
sorry,
WhatsApp.
do you remember like when your mom was like taking her afternoon nap, going through her phone and seeing what drama is going on in
Yeah,
the
like
family?
who is my mom messaging?
Oh yeah, I would read all the funny jokes and then
All
I
the
would...
non-veg groups. That is how we got to know about sex. Your parents' non-veg group. They didn't know.
No,
Yeah,
that was not the case for me.
you're different.
You got to know by doing it. Cut that out.
I learned on the field.
Right.
Yeah.
So, you know, you used to always like look. This is not on topic, but still, like, you used to like go to your mom's phone. You used to see who she's messaging, if she's
Mhm.
having beef with her sisters at the moment, who's like bugging her, what
Yeah.
are the photos being sent, the statuses being put, because that is sheer entertainment.
Yeah.
I don't
It
do that
is.
anymore because, like, I'm
Now
faced
we
with the
went past
realities of
that.
life. So,
Yeah,
for
and now
sure.
we understand the term of privacy. So
see, that's not true. Mom and me, there's no privacy there. From like,
Yeah.
like I need her to give me privacy. Sorry, I need her to give me privacy, but like I don't
It's
expect
not a
her
two-way
to.
street.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Like-
no, for me and my mom, I think it is like that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
love. I mean, me and your mom are also private.
Yeah, that's why I don't know about it. And I would like to keep it that way only.
But yeah,
Yeah.
Coming
so,
back.
Sorry. So you remember like ever getting like a link and then it saying like send this to 10 groups.
Oh, yeah.
And then we for
Yes.
or otherwise you'll have bad luck for 15 years.
oh my god.
Like
Listen,
this was such a big phenomenon that I used to play Girls Go games, right? When I was younger. If you know, you know.
Yes.
And even
yes.
Stardoll, like all of these websites. they were
Lola
like-
games, you remember?
Oh my god, yes. Do you remember Pop Tropica? Dude, we should do an episode on this. Oh my god, I have like this is like an idea, guys. I'm not even kidding. People behind the camera, we need to do this. Anyway, in the comments of like Girls Go games or Stardolls, there used to be comments, right? And the comment was like, copy this comment and paste it on 10 other games, or you'll have bad luck.
Bad
and,
luck.
and like us as kids, like we believed that shit. Like we
It was
believed.
ingrained into us back then.
Yeah.
And it's crazy because these people used to use this as a marketing gimmick
Yeah.
to make
yeah.
you like tap into your fucking psyche and be like, oh, if you don't do this, you're fucked. And you should
Dude.
buy into that. Like, oh shit, yeah, I'll
Yeah.
actually have bad luck for the next 10 years. Let me follow. Let me like share this with 10 people.
Dude, I'll tell you what. My friend, I won't take her name, but she had received this message on one of her school groups, and the message said, "Send this to 10 people," and if she didn't send it, the link wouldn't open. So she sent
Oh.
it. She sent it to her family group also.
Huh?
She opened the link. The link was 2 girls, 1 cup. She like jaldi se she went and she deleted it.
Oh my god.
If you don't know, see, if you don't know what 2 girls, 1 cup is, first and foremost, I'd like to tell you, you are too young. Second of all, do not Google it. Thirdly,
you think, oh, don't do this. I will do exactly this.
No,
No,
but
don't do that.
I genuinely want everyone to go through the misery I went through. So please go and watch.
see, I
Please
I
Google
was privileged enough to not go through that, but I have heard legends of people who have been traumatized. So people who have been traumatized by this have told me that they can see it in their dreams.
See, I was
So-
smart, so I did not watch the video. I just went on to the images. But that was like,
That's more scarring, I feel. Because like
Yeah.
it's like
Guys,
50
why?
of them at
Why?
once.
We are asking them not to do it and they're talking more about it. Don't you think this is going to make them want to watch even more?
yeah, I'm so encouraging. Go, please. Do it. One life.
Learning moment.
Okay. So yeah, what I mean by that is like the culture of having a shared thought or like a shared belief के ये करना ही पड़ेगा वरना फिर कुछ और हो जाएगा. It starts young, bro. Like
Yeah.
this is I think where it started for me. At least I believe like हाँ
Yeah,
ये तो
true.
होगा. It doesn't make any sort of sense. But like as you grow older, also like these myths continue in your life.
Yeah.
See, I don't consider myself to be a very superstitious. I'm not superstitious. I'm a little superstitious.
Little,
Yeah.
a little,
Yeah.
yeah, fair.
Yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, I think I'm a good 2 or 3.
I think I'm a good 4 or 5.
So
1 to 10, you said?
Yeah.
I'm very like not gullible, so
Hmm.
I don't think I'm
Yeah.
stitious at all.
I feel like there are certain things like now like nazar. Like nazar is something that I fully believe in.
Same.
Like that I should not fuck with that shit like earlier, but I have seen how it's affected people and me, and now I fully believe it. So there are certain things like this, and like knock on wood is something that I just do it because of force of habit. I don't
Yeah.
really believe it, but if someone says something nice about what's happening in their life,
Yeah.
I just automatically do this.
Yeah, I always do that.
I don't even know if I
Always.
believe it, but I just do it.
I completely believe in it. So I think I'm like a very kind of like a superstitious person.
You're very superstitious.
Yeah.
I'll say it.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid to say it.
I genuinely believe a lot in Nazar. I believe a lot in karma. And I'm a huge believer of all of these things. I don't know, maybe because of the experiences, because of my family, and the way, like we've been brought up, like me and my brother. So we, in our household, we believe that everything that you show it around, like every good thing that you show off, once you come home, like you need to. So every time my dad goes on a trip, or I go on a trip, or my mom, any one of us leave the house for a trip, we go out, we post pictures, we come back, the first thing my mom will do is take out the nazar.
Yes.
If we are sick, the first thing my mom will do is take out it's just ingrained into us.
Yeah, it's force of habit again.
Yeah.
But I feel like we should discuss like the history of where nazar came, like not nazar, sorry, like superstitions came from, and I don't think any of us really knows the origin
Yeah.
of it.
Yeah.
But how I see it is like way back in the day, one person must have done something which led to something bad, and I feel that has just like carried down.
Snowball
Yes.
down.
And I feel like people are like, oh, this happened to this one person once back in like
Yeah.
500 BC. Make it a thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think that's also how like new superstitions come about, right?
Maybe.
My mom, I remember this. So my mom taught my sister like before she went to like take tuitions, but I had tuition since like first standard. So I have never been taught by my mom. So my handwriting is not as good as my sister, because my sister was like literally beat black and blue by my mom
To
because
improve.
to improve it, and also her main thing was write like well, but also like if you go behind while writing, right, like when you like your words slant little obtuse,
Yeah.
she doesn't like that, because one of her teachers once must have told her, okay, the people who write backward are backward in life.
Hmm.
And till like I think 2-3 years ago, I think when my 12th standard boards were happening and I was writing my assignment for that, and she came to me, she started yelling. She's like, why are you writing backwards? I've always told you don't write backwards, because I have like a little tendency to write a little backward like that.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, mama, you've always said that, but like, what is the logic? She's like, I don't know the logic. My this is this happened once, and I believe it to be
Yeah.
true. And I'm like, but you give me logic, I'll stop writing like
Exactly, and I feel the same thing has to be said about people who write with left hand.
that. Mm-hmm.
I feel there's this friend of mine at work, and she told me that she does everything with her left hand except for writing. And her parents like forced her when she was a kid to change her and like
Yeah.
dominant hand, at least in
Yeah.
writing, to the right hand.
So
Because
you know,
it's bad luck, or you'll not like succeed in life.
yeah, yeah. So even my parents did that to me and to Adi. So my parents are like, generally, when children start doing something, it's not, they don't decide which is going to be their dominant hand. If they've picked up something
Exactly.
first with the left hand, then they get
Oh.
kind of habituated to the same thing. So it is like on the parents, or whoever is taking care of the children, to make them, make it into a habit to use the right hand more often.
Mm-hmm.
That's how my parents did it for me and Adi. They were like, no, we don't want lefties in this house. Again, the same logic.
I find lefties
Like,
pretty cool, man. Like,
yeah,
there's
no,
that
even
one
I
thing that's
find it
unique
damn
about
cool.
you.
I keep watching those videos. Those videos are all over my For You page. 3 number wale log.
Oh my god,
बड़े
dude! I
शांत
fucking
होते हैं.
believe those. That is
Yeah.
I completely believe.
astrologers on reels. I feel like they are the
That-
shit.
Dude,
They know my
Bro.
life from the day I was born till the day I'm going to die. They know everything.
Exactly.
I will believe everything that they say.
I want to talk about this. So I saw this reel recently. A lot of people sent this to me. They're like, जिन लोगों के नाम में sure रहता है,
yes.
हाँ, everyone gets
उनको
that.
काफी health related problems
They don't get
आते हैं.
married.
रुक
Marriage में
उनको
problem
काफी
है.
मैरिज प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं, बट इनके लाइफ में पैसों की कमी कभी नहीं रहती है और वो लाइफ में हमेशा सक्सेसफुल बनते हैं.
Yes.
बट हर चीज में थोड़े से लैक
Yeah.
कर जाते हैं. फैमिली उनसे संभलती नहीं है.
Those-
I'm like,
How are you so right? That, and then like the astrology thing also, like Libras
Yeah.
are like this, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Then there are
I
dates
fully
like
believe in
people who are
that.
born on like 5th, 11th, 13th.
Yeah. Listen
Yeah.
up.
Yeah.
Listen up.
Yeah.
And then, like, if you don't have your reading in the video, you have to read the fucking caption.
Yeah. Caption.
And if you can't read the caption, you have to go to the comments.
So I go to the page and then I search for
Oh
a
my God,
video.
same. I'm like, oh,
which
where
has
is
my
Libra?
birthday.
Where is
Yeah.
Libra? Where is Virgo?
Where's
Where is
Virgo? Yeah.
Because I think all of them come in like a set.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, the first 6 and then the last 6.
Yeah, and then you're like, shit, I'm fed up with the Pisces.
Dude, the number of tarot card readings on your For You page is directly proportional to your mental health at that point in time.
Listen,
Direct, like the more
Bro.
tarot card readings you have,
I believe it even more because how are you able to read my exact state of mind at that time?
and
Yeah.
like, it's fucking Instagram, dude. It's a huge.
Still, how?
He will come back to you or he will not come back to you. There are like
Bro,
these two cards.
that's-
Pick one.
Pick one.
Crazy,
Pick green
bro,
or
crazy.
this.
Intuition test.
Yeah, pick between two
Green ball,
crystals.
green ball, purple ball. Shit, I picked the wrong ball.
Yeah, he's not coming back.
No, but I genuinely, I like completely believe, because I think my family and the part from where I come from,
Yeah.
everyone like in my house, so we have this thing, okay, whenever we are traveling, first, so we say Ganpati Bappa Moria. Second, if we are going for a long journey, we'll even break open a nariyal because we pray to nariyal. And then again,
Nariyal is a god?
Yeah, so it's like one of our main
It's
sources of
sacred,
income
right?
again. So it's considered sacred for us.
Okay.
There is a lot of abundance of coconuts in Konkan area, right?
Oh, okay.
So that's why we do believe in it a lot. Then again, if we are going like on a long journey and if we have carried food, we'll carry, like my nani has taught this to me, like if you're going anywhere and you're carrying food, carry like a small packet of sugar with you.
Okay.
I don't know why. I've asked her multiple times what's the reason behind it, and she's like, my mom used to tell me, I told your mom, she follows it, now you also follow it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I, even without any second questions asked, I like to do it because
Yeah.
it's something that makes her happy.
there's some form of like connection or some familiarity, or like, something that connects you with your family when you do certain things like these, which of course
Yeah.
they don't have to make sense most
Yeah.
of the time. I don't think even your grandparents have an explanation as to why it's being done, but you just do it for the heck of it.
See, I
Yeah.
believe so firmly in that I would go as far as to say that, myths, those stupid superstitions, call it what you want. When you grow up, you kind of realize that, these, yes, illogical, but are
Mm.
very important to form a sense of community and a sense of like belongingness to your people,
Yeah.
Yeah.
right? Like
True.
there needs to be a so the definition of culture relies heavily on a group's shared beliefs,
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
And if you do not have these shared beliefs, see, belief क्या हो सकता है, एक belief हो सकता है कि this is the color purple, but
Hmm.
what sets your culture apart from a different culture, that is that, you have some obscure beliefs.
Yeah.
I would say,
Together.
I would use that word, the word obscure, so it's
Yeah.
different. So in some cultures cats are believed to be sacred, in others
Yeah.
there's
Mhm.
believed to
Yeah.
be really unlucky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That thing sets them
Specifically
apart.
black cats.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you know this thing, right? If Kali Billy crosses the road,
Yes.
you have to
No.
wait for. So
Apparently it's a thing with any cats. If it's like a if it's a black cat, you have to do something else, and if it's an other colored cat, you have to do something else.
you know there is one person that you both of y'all know.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm talking about Dhritika, guys. So
They also know.
I think they also know.
So whenever we walk and she sees a Kali Billy cross the road, she will wait for someone else to go and cross the road before, and then only she walks. She never have crossed the road first after a Kali Billy has walked. And I've asked her multiple
Next
That's
time
times.
such a
if we are
shitty
there
thing
na,
to do.
Next time if we are there, I'll push her.
Arey, why? Maybe she's had experiences. I asked her the
Yeah,
same
no,
thing. She
same.
said, no,
I
I've
mean-
always had like very bad experiences.
See, that also, same. For me, this is not like a traditional thing, but like a personal superstition that I not strongly believe in, but I have recently formed it. So, I don't remember. I was going to work, okay,
Yeah.
and I had worn this one perfume of mine that I always wear, okay, and I had like a bad day I had a stretch of bad days for like 3 to 4 days,
Yeah.
and then on my fifth
And then
day,
it still lasted. Till now.
and then on my fifth day, I wore a different perfume,
Yeah.
Mhm.
and that day was really good.
Yeah.
See,
And then because of that, like after that one
Yeah.
good day, I started
Using the
using
other
that perfume.
perfume.
And it's not like my days have been like
Better.
good consistently, but like in my mind, I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, aaj acha jayega.
Haan.
And to some extent, I believe it, and that's why it happens to be a
Yeah.
little bit.
I
good.
do that with clothes. So you know what I do every
Yeah.
single day? I think you guys have an idea. Every single day, mostly like 90, not 90, chal, that's too much. That is 90s when it's the exam season. Mostly when it's like 60-70% I do this. I go on Google, then I go
is
on
that
this.
Dhritika?
She's always been spiritual, you guys don't know.
Fuck. I don't believe
Hi.
her.
Okay, anyways, there's this thing that I do most of the times. 60% of the times, okay, I will go every morning and I will check which is the lucky color for Aries today.
Real.
And then I will wear that color. And mostly every single day it's showing red and orange.
Jethalal used to do that.
Oh my god.
You've seen that episode,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
I am Jethalal.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay.
So mostly every single day it's red and orange. So then I started referring to another website which
Wow.
which gave me
creativity chahiye bhai.
Yeah,
which
like,
gave me
This
colors,
is killing my style.
which gave me colors other than red and orange. Then I was like, okay, I do somewhat believe in this. And you know why I believe in this? Because
Tell
the
me.
real the real Chotu Sa Mera Bhai.
Tell me.
You're wearing orange in that?
She's wearing orange.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I checked the horoscope that single day. It showed to wear
Oh
orange.
my god. So wait, are you saying Chotu Sa
Mm.
Bechara Mera Bhai was a good thing?
Of course it was.
Of course it was.
It was
It was a
great.
great thing.
I mean,
Yeah.
I watch it 3 times daily. How do you think it got to
Yeah,
those
yeah.
numbers?
I
Exactly.
watch it because people send it to me.
Dude, that's so true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or we get hate videos made on it.
No, like, I don't understand why I'm being sent every single hate video that's been made on it through people I know. It's like,
Yeah. Do people
Bro,
think we
watch
haven't
this?
seen it?
exactly.
We made it.
I think Almira sends me the most amount of reels.
Yeah, I mean, I have like a bunch of people that said
Same,
Yeah,
same,
yeah.
same.
Anyway, so we were talking about
Yeah,
like personal
uh,
superstitions that
yeah,
you have,
yeah.
like new superstitions that you made, like the perfume thing, and then you think colors make a difference.
Colours.
Bro, you know, mine is also like colors do make a difference,
Mhm.
right? And I know you guys know this. My fucking blue nail polish, bro.
Oh
My blue nail polish has wronged me so much. So
Yeah.
there is this like, this is one of my favorite colors, by the way. This is the kind of like very dark Egyptian sort of blue. It's like one of my favorite after
Periwinkle
like
blue.
yeah, no, it's not periwinkle, babe.
Periwinkle is
Somewhat.
lighter.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
periwinkle is
Dark
very
blue
light.
hai.
Very
Like a
dark.
royal dark.
Deek,
blue.
dark
I'll
blue
put
bolna
I'll put a Pantone shade over here. So much will add it.
Mhm.
But yeah, what I mean to say is that I love that color. Like after
Yeah.
pink, that is my favorite color. And it's not when I wear it with like outfits. It's always when I put it on my nails and I don't do any sort of like nail art on it. It will most definitely give me the worst time of my life. The
Hmm.
first time I wore this nail polish, so the first time I wore it, I don't remember what happened, but then my little nephew, he came home and he broke the bottle. And then like
He
my
broke the
aunt,
curse.
Yeah, he broke the curse.
see, I didn't know that back then. So I bought
Yeah.
another one and then I wore it. I
Welcome
wore
to
it
the
to
curse
my worst college fest where I thought I was going to lose my best friend. Like that's the week that I wore it.
Oh, shit.
Second time I wore it was also pretty bad. I remember like people kept trauma dumping on me, and I was already not on a
Shit.
great mental state,
Candid,
great
yeah.
mental state. And then like my grandfather fell very sick.
You also trying to get
Oh.
into college?
No, this
Yeah.
was later, baby, in like December. This was when I was trying to break the curse.
I remember. I
Okay,
remember very
okay.
vividly the time, the
Frame.
that phase that we
Yeah,
were
yeah.
in, because all four
Yeah.
of us like experienced that with you.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
also like then I went to West Side and I got a different shade of blue, but it was still a very dark blue, if you guys remember.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And I wore that when one of my visas that needed to get accepted got rejected
Oh.
this year. So I thought if I change the
Yeah,
shade, if I
yeah.
change the brand, maybe it will change.
It's the
But
color.
that dark blue nail
It's the
polish
colour.
has never, ever bordered well with me. And there is legit no explanation to it besides the
Yeah.
fact that
Wow.
it just happens. And it's always when it's like a solid color, like when I
Mhm.
wear it on all 10 nails, and it never chips. That color never chips on me. Every other color
Ew,
chips
that's
on me.
freaky.
That is very freaky.
Oh my god.
That is.
But
And
yeah.
I feel like how you have a thing with colors of clothes. I have this one like combination, like this black top and
Mm.
these pants. Okay.
Yeah.
Whenever I've worn them together, my day has always gone bad.
Oh my god, I've had that too.
So now
Yeah?
I wear that top separately with another pant and this pant separately with another top, and like
You don't wear them together.
I don't wear them together. I just know it's going to
Yeah.
go bad. And another friend of mine has also pointed that out.
Wow.
You know, I have
Wow.
had a similar experience with a place also.
Yeah.
So you all of you guys know Grandmama's Cafe at Dadar, right?
Hmm.
I
Yeah.
love that place. I love the food. But if I go over there for a date or something like which is not like a friendly hangout, I end up not talking to the person ever
Ever.
after
I thought that
again.
was pizza, by the way, for you.
Oh,
It is
shit.
pizza by the way and Grandmama's Dadar. If
Yeah.
if
Wow.
I'm going with friends, it's all chill, like it's all gonna be fine.
We've been there, dude.
No,
Yeah.
we've been there.
Both of
And
us been
do you
there.
remember we had such a bad time that day?
No, we had a fight on the way
We
back.
had a
We had a
fight
fight
on
on
the
the
way
way-
to and from.
Oh,
shit.
yeah.
Remember?
That's
Yes.
crazy.
See, it's Grandmama's and pizza by the way, both. But I love
Bro,
Grandmama's
grandmama's
Dadar.
hot chocolate. We spoke about this in the
In one of our episodes.
Yeah.
One of our episodes. Yeah, I
Yeah.
don't remember which one.
Yeah, but
We are trying to film with Srushti right now at the moment.
it's too
But
good.
like circling back to when you said that you had like this curse top or whatever. So I had gone I was wearing an all formals outfit and I had to come back to college for some work and I was like, listen, I can't do this anymore. I need to change into a very comfortable t-shirt or whatever.
Yeah.
I just need to get comfortable.
Yeah.
So like from Mulund station, I randomly got this top for like 200 rupees. And I was very, very proud of the purchase. I was like, listen, this is a great deal. I don't fucking care about the print. It was fuck all.
What
Yes,
was
I
it?
agree. Yes, I agree. It was like a very. I'll put a picture. I'll put a picture of the t-shirt. It's ugly as fuck. But then I was like, listen, I'm comfortable and I don't care.
Yeah.
And then I came home. I showed my mom, my dad, everyone. And मैं मतलब सबको बता रही हूँ कि
Try
ये
on
मेरा
all.
proud purchase है.
हाँ.
मैं खुशी खुशी सबको ये अपना purchase flaunt कर रही हूँ.
हाँ.
And then I don't wear it for a few days. And then the day I wear it again, shit goes bad.
Oh.
And then I was like, ठीक है, it's just one of those days.
Yeah.
I don't wear it again. Then another after few days, I wear it again, something goes bad.
Mhm.
And the third time it happened, I'm like,
Third time's the charm.
Bye-bye.
फेंकना चाहिए.
इसको
Hard
फेंकना
फेंक देना
चाहिए।
चाहिए.
पोछा नहीं बनाया घर में नहीं आना चाहिए
घर
ये
में ही
सब
नहीं
bad
चाहिए वो
Yeah.
t-shirt.
very valid
Valid,
very valid
understandable.
फेंक दिया फिर तूने
फेंक दिया।
I feel there's also something to be said about the old traditional
That's one I strongly believe in.
superstitions that what is it? What do you believe? in?
When a black cat crosses your way.
we
I
actually
actually
weren't you
spoke
there when we
about-
spoke about this.
I must have
Dude.
forgotten shit.
Mm.
But this has happened to me almost 3 to 4 times. Whenever a black cat has crossed my way, something.
you say black cat and you have a fly on your face you just say that by the way the fly is like a paid guest
The stations
Yeah.
are super here today.
Yeah, super here. Yeah, and then every time a black cat has to cross my way, I'm like, I'm gonna stop. Let 3-4 people pass.
I feel like I'm
एक
having
से
a
काफी
deja
नहीं है।
vu
I said the same exact thing.
Yeah, एक से काफी नहीं है भाई. Like 3-4 people.
Yeah,
pass.
I remember her
I
saying
was
it.
talking about you only.
Oh, you know this? Yeah, of course.
Dude, were you sleeping for the past 20 minutes?
Haven't you been here all along?
So yeah,
That's my secret.
But yeah, like I feel that there's this other superstition which I'm pretty sure everyone is very well versed with, like the Kala Tika.
yeah,
And
yeah.
Oh,
bro,
yeah,
I
yeah.
have to say this: why the fuck do parents put like one big one here, one big one here, and one big one here on a
Yeah,
fucking
this
kid?
is only for you, man.
Bitch,
this never
no,
happened to
I
me.
only had one here.
No,
I
bro,
had.
I've seen this in trains, and they also draw on their eyebrows.
Yeah.
You know the point of that
The
is
fucking kajal is like here.
exactly,
and
bhai.
here. What the fuck?
There's only one patch of like fair skin over here.
Yeah. Baki pura
Color
color.
that also black now. Make the entire face black.
Oh my god, that's where blackface starts.
But anyway, I feel the only explanation I can give for that is
It makes the baby look ugly.
yeah, and that's why there's no like
Ooh.
Yeah.
because see if people eye the baby, they're like, oh, that's so nice.
That's
So you have to put a black spot to make it a little ugly, and then people go
Mhm.
above and beyond.
They're like,
मैं उसको बहुत
They
ugly
get
कर दूंगा.
they get creative with it.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
painting
Every
painting
time I
करूँगी
see a
आज.
baby like that, I'm just like, oh my god, that baby has eyebrow blindness.
No, bro, if I was the parent, I would actually draw something on their face or like, you know,
Yeah,
I
like a
would
teddy
make
bear
them
or a heart. or
wear a
something.
mask.
तू एक काम कर अपने बच्चे पे टैटू बना देना.
मैं घर से बाहर नहीं निकालूंगी.
Best mom.
No, but my mom used to put this chotu tika over here. Just one chotu
Milk
tika.
lover.
Milf lover.
Mom. I love mom.
I love all moms.
Hug दिया ना. Good job.
Hasuya hagu. Hug do.
But I completely believe in Nazar. You know, like
Yeah.
today also we experienced this. Do you remember after we were done eating the pani puri,
Yeah.
we went back to the car and there was this creepy dude who kept
Oh
asking
God,
for
yeah.
money. And
Yeah,
guys, I don't give money. I do give money to the like needy ones, and I
Like
genuinely
old
feel
people and young,
old
like
people
kids.
and you know I genuinely feel that you know they are going through I
Yeah,
don't
like
know. I
Genuinely
get a
have
feeling
the soft
I get a
corner for them.
feeling
Yeah,
I get a
fair.
feeling
fair.
उनको ही मैं पैसे देती हूँ
Fair.
अगर नहीं तो फिर I try to give food but I had no cash and I genuinely didn't have cash and I genuinely didn't have anything
I
to
also looked
Yeah.
in my. We were using GPay today all
yeah
day.
and I genuinely wanted to give something, food or something, but it was not there. And that guy was genuinely very creepy.
He
and
was
I
being very
saw-
creepy. So when you guys, so these two went to have pani puri. I wasn't feeling well. I was sitting in the car, and like he kept coming to the window. I'm like, kya hai? I was like being like. Then I was
Aggressive.
like aggressive.
Yeah,
I was not
of
being.
course.
Then I was like, क्या चाहिए भाई? And then वो
Yeah.
चले गया. फिर तू आई वापस तो फिर वो वापस नाटक चालू
Yeah.
किया.
Yeah, so he was just being creepy, and I'm pretty sure he was drunk also, because
He
I
was.
could smell alcohol off
Yes.
of him.
Definitely.
So I just didn't feel like giving money, even if I had.
Yeah.
So when I said nothing, no, I have nothing to give, and I was like, please जाओ. और मैं गाड़ी जैसे ही आगे ले रही थी, उसने ना कुछ तो बड़बड़ाया. I saw it in the rear view cam. I could easily see that वो कुछ तो बोल रहा है, और मैं गाड़ी टर्न भी नहीं लिया, राइट टर्न भी नहीं मारा है. लाइक इसने नजर लगाई है पक्का. I did थू, but still I am pretty damn sure he actually cussed us so bad. So
Yeah.
the thing
What
is that
happened?
we
He
missed.
cussed us out now when we left. You remember when we took the
Yeah,
turn?
I
he
remember
cussed
him
us out.
mumbling
Yeah.
something. I don't know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so after that we were supposed to take the coastal road. We are in Kolaba, guys. From
Story
Kolaba
will be
we
up.
have to travel to Juhu. Okay, so we're supposed to take the coastal road, and after we get down from the coastal road, we're supposed to take the Worli say left for Bandra Sea Link. And instead of taking, the right and going to the place and then taking a left, I forgot about the right, and I took the
Yeah, she
road
basically
back to
took a wrong turn.
wrong turn, and I went back to Nariman.
Yeah. So it's like the new roads are very confusing and they look all the same.
Same.
So we took the road that goes right back to
Back
Nariman,
to-
and we were thinking that there is no exit, and like we will reach Nariman now again. We'll
Yeah.
take the whole circle, but thankfully we found an exit.
Yeah, and
Oh,
then we
no.
got off again. And again over here, after coming over here,
Yeah,
we missed
we
two
took
what,
left.
what do you
Yeah.
feel the nazar was like?
I don't know.
Yeah,
and then
like
she spoke.
maybe
To
You just felt
someone.
like the vibes
It
were
could
off.
be
Spoke to-
anything specific. It's just उसने कुछ बोला जो हमें लग गया.
Yeah.
इनको लग गया.
हाँ.
It's just
So
about that.
she spoke to someone in her family when we were getting some bite to eat, and then they told
Yeah.
you that they removed nazar, and then after
Yeah.
that we didn't have any problems getting
Yeah.
here.
Then once I spoke to my mom and my relative,
Hmm.
I was like, maybe this is the thing, and then this and all. And then my mom was like, any which ways, my mom is not here right now. She is in a native place. So my mom was like, I'm any which ways going to the mandir, and I'll go and I'll sing.
Yeah.
I don't know if she went after that or not. Probably sure she did. After that, everything went smoothly.
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
Everything.
Our food was great.
Yeah.
Like, and we had veg also.
जाएंगे कल
कल
जाएंगे.
जाएंगे. ठीक है, but yeah, that's what I mean. But you know, one thing I don't understand about like when you're little, right? You have like a different sort of a belief, but like once you grow older, like your sort of beliefs revolve around like important decisions in your life, and a lot of people turn to astrology for that. And I want to really navigate that in this episode, because a part of me thinks astrology is very fun, right? But I find it hard to believe the point in time where I was born has such a big impact.
Same.
You know?
I could go as far as to believe that the date and the day and the time could make an impact. But then the idea of, for example, today, if the sun or the moon or the Mars or the Venus is in a certain position,
Yeah.
that has nothing to do with the decision I'm going to make today.
Also,
I don't believe in that.
I feel like I don't know enough about that entire field of science to
yes.
really have an opinion
Yeah,
about
same,
it, because I
fair,
feel
same.
like there are people who have actually like put
Studied
in time
this.
and effort to study it. And I
Yeah,
know you're
yeah.
not saying that oh, this doesn't happen. It's just
Yeah,
that
yeah.
our personal beliefs say
Yeah.
that. But I would really love to understand and get a perspective of that.
I've actually encountered this one person where he'll only ask you for your birth date, birth time, and the place you were born in. And he will not give you like the specific information that you're asking for, but he will tell you something around about it, and it does come true.
Yeah.
And
I've-
I don't believe in it. I don't want to know what my future is going to look like. I just want to, look forward to it. I don't want to be like, oh, 5 साल में मेरे साथ ये होने वाला है तो मैं अभी से उसकी preparation करूँ ताकि ये जाके ना हो. I don't want to be that person.
Don't give me spoilers, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
I
But like
am.
my mom is like a
Yeah.
big believer in
My
this.
mom is
same.
too.
And my dad too.
Same.
And so they like went to this person and they like told them कि ये problems आ सकती है in the next 5 years, so he gives remedies also. like
Oh.
ये दिक्कत है.
See, this is
So-
nice, na? Don't
Yeah.
just leave me out like in the
Exactly.
fucking.
Help me kar do
Yeah,
yaar.
yeah.
Matlab, be a good person. Help me out.
Yeah.
And then he like, I think one of them was he asked dad to wear white on Friday. Every Friday, my dad's supposed to wear white.
My dad
Like, it
also
could be a
wears
white shirt, white t-shirt. Same.
Us moment.
Yeah. But then,
Our secret.
yeah, I mean, yeah, whatever. He's wearing white every single Friday. But then, just some part in me does not. I cannot fathom the fact that with such little information, he can predict so much.
Yeah, and it's also weird to think that he said this theek hai, and then sometimes it goes to you go to think ki, bhai, this person has so much power over me that why am I
Exactly.
believing them to such an extent and following what they're saying?
So, like, I know you might remember this from college,
Mhm.
where there is this one guy, and I think he's a little specially abled, and he goes around in various
Oh
colleges,
shit!
Yeah.
Yes. Fuck.
and he sits around you, and he basically reads your mind, quote unquote.
Mhm.
So I figured with
Oh.
after having like 3 or 4 conversations and observing those conversations, that he does say a lot of vague shit,
Mhm.
right? But then sometimes it's very accurate.
Accurate.
Like very, you know him, Baba.
I know him.
So I want to talk about
Yeah,
this.
so Srushti also, like, once we were sitting in McDonald's, and he came, but like you were visiting me,
Yeah.
and he came next to us, and like Srushti was also there with her friend Ayushi.
Yeah, so I genuinely want to talk about this. There was this time I was seeing this guy, and I was very, very, very insecure as a person back then. And I was going through a
right.
lot. I was going through a lot at that time, and I
Mhm.
just wanted that kind of reassurance that will I end up with this person or not?
Oh no.
Because I was very into that person, and I really wanted it to like work and everything. I really like kind of saw a future. So I just asked this guy that, do you think this will work out or not?
Hmm.
And then he just made a simple an analogy, like, if something he asked me for 100 rupees note, and then he was like, and then he gave it back to me, and then I took it back, and then he removed
Yeah,
a
I
100 rupee
remember
note
this.
from his wallet, and then he gave it to me, and I said, why are you giving it to me? I'm not going to take it. So then he's like, exactly, you won't take something that doesn't belong to you, right?
Yeah.
So don't kind of snatch something that
That
doesn't
does not belong to you.
that doesn't not
It's not meant for you.
yeah, it's not meant for you or doesn't belong to you.
Yeah.
And at that time,
crazy.
I was like, what? No, what the hell is he talking about? Like,
Yeah.
I am in a good relationship. I am having like, great experiences with this guy, and I really see a future, and we don't have any problems right now. But little did I know.
Yeah,
So,
I feel
yeah,
for you also. I'm sorry, I just have to say this, but I completely agree and like empathize with whatever you were going through at that time.
Yeah.
And for you to find that comfort in like a stranger, but you wanted reassurance. I'm not blaming you here, but you wanted
Exactly.
reassurance, and you found that in a stranger, and you didn't even know he was someone who would like read your future or something.
Exactly.
That's
And
just so weird.
so
No, so
that's the
she knew
thing.
that he was somebody, because I had an encounter with him
But still,
earlier.
like,
Yeah.
he's a stranger to you guys. Like,
Yeah,
you
he
don't
is
know
a
him
He's never met her
stranger.
before, right? He's
Yeah.
met you.
So
he
to
knows
have
he
to
might
get
remember you.
reassurance
Yeah.
from like a really random person
Exactly.
is whack.
So
It
that's the thing, right? I've always believed in all of these things, and it has always been the opposite for my parents. Like, my parents, they do believe somewhat, but they don't believe it in as much as I do.
Okay.
Because even before leaving for Singapore, batshit things were happening to me.
Yeah.
I even got my visa just like a day before, which was really fucked up. It shouldn't be happening because I had applied for like 2-3 months prior. So I was like, what the hell? Why the hell is this all happening to me? And I kept telling my parents that I really want to do a personal reading or something. I want to go somewhere to take off my nazar. And my parents are like, no, this doesn't exist. This doesn't happen. But right now, a lot of the things have been happening in my family. Hope we get rid of them. And then now my mom somewhere is like, okay, maybe, you know what? I see it. maybe I see it like people do have a bad eye. If you are doing somewhere good in your career, if you're doing somewhere good in your life, people have bad eye all the time.
I
Definitely.
agree.
So even for my parents, the thing was that before getting married, they so in our culture we show patrikas or kundlis to like a priest,
Yeah.
like
Hmm.
a priest or an astrologer, and then he will match it. There are like 36 gun karke, there's this thing,
Yeah.
36 के
36
36 गुण मिलने चाहिए, या फिर
I've heard it
36
in
में से
movies.
हाँ 36 में से 18 गुण के ऊपर मिलना चाहिए, then it's a good match, the marriage will last and it will be fine or something. They showed my mom's and my dad's patrika to astrologer. He said this marriage will not last more than 4 days, and he was like because इनके जो शादी लव आई थिंक प्यार के गुण जो थे वो कुछ 16 पे थे, but इनके friendship वाले they were 34 35. So my nani was like, no, these guys are going to be good friends, and that's why their marriage will be more
They
beautiful.
invented the friend zone.
Wow.
Friends to lovers.
Best friends.
Best. Oh my god, your mom's a girl best friend. For sure.
And since that time, I think my parents have stopped believing in all of these
Yeah.
things.
I
So,
see it.
You had that experience with him, and why I think also you were so with this guy specifically, I think he tells you what you seek for. This is me.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
is me telling you this after having multiple conversations with him. So he's the
Yeah.
kind of person that, I don't want to say this, but loiters around colleges, like South Bombay colleges, a lot. And you may have, like, if you're from South Bombay, if you've been in the
A regular McDonald's goer,
not just McDonald's, like
Starbucks.
That's creepy.
if
dude,
you've
like-
if you've like been around in that area, go to cafes and stuff, even college fests, you know, he does like
how old is
talk-
this dude?
so he says that he is I think he first time he met me in 2022, towards like last half. He told me that he was in 10th standard, but he was
Oh, you're
disabled.
joking.
No, so he's disabled, so
Mhm.
like he is like older, but he's still in 10th.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So that's what he told me, and that the fact that he was terminally ill.
Yeah.
But that was many years ago. So now I do not want to question whether he's terminally
yeah,
ill
yeah,
or
yeah.
not, or he was at that time. However, that first conversation that I have with him, at that time, our minds were completely open. It was Mariam, my friend, Shoaib, our friend, and this other person
Yeah.
also. And then I was there.
Yeah.
And then he comes up to us and he's like, "Main baitu kya?" And then we were like, "Why not? You know,
Yeah.
he's alone. We'll make him sit or whatever." And then I'm not gonna say what he said about like them,
Yeah, those.
but to me, he said that this is the first time I'm meeting him, right? And I was the closest to him. I didn't provoke him to say anything. He was
Hmm.
giving readings to like the others, and then he told me that you like to collect stuff, which first of all I was like, no, I'm not a big collector. But then he was like, yeah, your box with the teapot and the butterflies. And I'll insert a picture here. I have a memory box in my house with a teapot
Yeah.
that my best friend gave me for with our first birthday in 2020 together, and inside that is a card with a bunch of butterflies on it. He told my friend
Fuck off.
Mariam that you love soft toys, and she has like a huge soft toy whale that she does not sleep without at night.
Ew.
He told this guy that was like he kind of liked me at that time, and he was sitting beside me, and and I hate like do not cut this out in a reel, but he told him like, so they like my friends knew, right, that he liked me. So they were ऐसे ही मजाक में बोला था कि इसके मन में क्या चल रहा है बताओ. So he said, and at this time I am thinking he used to like me, now he doesn't like me. ठीक है. So he said कि आप इसके प्यार में तैरोगे नहीं, आप डूब जाओगे. Yeah. And
now see,
spoiler alert, that is what happened.
No, but see, I would have been like, oh, you know, this guy's just loitering around and he's being creepy and observing people, and like, you know, he's saying like surface level shit. But stuff like what he said about Mariam, the soft toy thing, and bro, her sleeping with a soft toy.
Dude,
Your
her memory
birthday
box.
thing.
My
that's
memory box
that's
is
crazy thing.
It's
why?
whack.
Crazy.
Why and
Wild.
how does he know that?
Bro, my
That's
mom
wild.
doesn't know about my memory box.
Ew, that's no.
That's so
Yeah.
That's giving me the. I don't know.
Chills.
I don't know how to
That's
feel.
very weird.
You know, I couldn't sleep the night I had a conversation.
Yeah.
I even said that to her for that night and for few other more nights. It was very difficult because I was just thinking more. I was just reading more into whatever.
Yeah,
he was
especially if you're
trying to
getting
say.
if you're getting like you said, the reassurance from a random stranger.
I didn't
Yeah.
get reassurance. I was told that this thing doesn't belong to you.
Okay,
Go.
fine. Basically, if
Reassurance
someone
of- yeah.
like a stranger is telling you something that you already have like apprehensions about,
Yeah.
and then that just makes you believe it even more. Of course, you're going to think about it.
So the longer
Yeah.
that you spend, longer the conversation that you have with this person, and I truly do not mean to bash him. I bet that he has no bad intentions, and
Yeah.
he's a great person. I do
Yeah.
not know him personally. However, I think if you spend time with him in short bursts, you will feel like, oh my god, I want to talk to him more. And then once you have like a longer conversation with him, I've heard this from a lot of people, that you're left with a very unsettling feeling, and the longer you talk to him, the more uncomfortable you feel about
No,
yourself.
I can imagine.
No,
I can imagine
obviously.
Yeah.
the energy he holds. At least like
That's why I stopped engaging with him. Now I don't like even say hi, even though I know he knows me. I completely ignore it because I don't need somebody with those abilities
Exactly.
to be
Exactly.
around
be
me.
around me,
Yeah.
because I don't know what they're capable of.
Yeah,
Exactly.
you
Now-
can't tell what they can control about you, and it's
it
very
makes
scary.
me believe that there's some form of black magic involved.
Oh, definitely.
Good. Yeah.
Definitely. So,
So- You've
I come
never
from-
spoken to him?
I don't even know how he looks like.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
You're lucky.
And
No, that's genuinely
no,
very
but
scary.
even if he said something, I don't
No,
think
for me
I
it
would
was-
believe it,
for
because I'm
me-
not a believer in any ways.
I'm a believer, but genuinely that was very, very scary to me.
Hmm.
Sorry, continue.
Yeah. Yeah. So I come from Rajasthan, right? And it's a very spooky place. Like any place in Rajasthan, it's damn spooky. So पुराने जमाने में मेरे गांव में शादी होती थी, तो मतलब शादी गांव में होती थी. अभी तो कैसे बॉम्बे में आकर शहर में होती है. पहले सब गांव जाते थे.
like even
And-
city people folk used to go to
Yeah,
the
yeah,
village. And
Definitely.
Yeah,
Even
yeah,
my
I've-
parents got married in मेरे गांव में.
Yeah, I've heard this thing about
Yeah.
Marwadis. I've always asked her, तुम लोग की
नहीं,
शादी
मेरी बॉम्बे में ही होंगी.
हाँ.
Anyways, so अब पहले जमाने में सारे रस्म वहीं पर होते थे. हल्दी, मेहंदी, शादी के. तो हमारे में शादी के दिन, जिस दिन शादी, समझो आज शादी है, तो उसके अर्ली मॉर्निंग सुबह में भी एक दो रस्में होती है. And those are like, they hold a lot of energy because there's a lot of it's very pious, if I have to put it that
The
way.
thing is, there is a lot of happiness.
No,
so
it's not even about the happiness. It's just about the energy
Yeah.
the whole
energy that it hides.
event
Wedding.
holds.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, and so is ऐसा बहुत बोला जाता है कि नई नवेली दुल्हन या किसी ने भी अगर रात में मेहंदी लगाई हुई है, तो घर के बाहर नहीं निकलना, रातों में बाल, don't leave your hair
Yeah,
open, don't
yeah,
put
yeah.
perfume, don't put itar,
Yeah.
don't wear
yeah.
anything flashy, jhatak matak in the night.
Yeah.
Do not
Yeah.
go alone in the night,
Even
because
when-
it's fucking crazy
Yeah.
in the village.
Yeah.
So this one friend of mine, she had this neighbor 2 or 3 houses away from her house, and like this woman, I'm not sure if she's alive or dead right now, but she had this thing where some people have like a very buri nazar,
Hmm.
and she had that to such an extent that, for example, if I'm that woman and if I really like your voice, and if I hear you singing and I get envious of you, my soul
will
will
get
come into
attached.
your soul comes into my body.
What the fuck?
Yep. She's seen it happen.
Like if she
Matlab?
saw a soul,
You don't see the soul traveling like
you
that.
see a shift, maybe? Like
Yeah,
you
like-
can sense a
yeah,
shift.
yeah. She will sound exactly like the person. She will sing exactly like the person. Or like
fuck.
Damn
the thing
it.
she's envious about, she
What
gets those
the
traits in
hell?
herself.
That's
And she will not budge.
freaky.
Oh,
She will not
fuck.
budge.
How?
So does she control that? Like, is she able to?
I don't know. I think she's just born with it. I don't know. And it just kept getting worse as she got older.
Fuck.
Oh shit!
Right.
Wow.
and they don't let her out in the public anymore. I don't even think she's alive anymore. But like even when
How
usko
long
unko
back?
kabhi,
Is this?
I know I have heard of this story. I think 2 years back.
Fuck.
Hmm.
So you know, in our caste, the thing is that when a marriage is happening, there is a lot of positive energy, right?
Yeah.
Definitely.
A lot of happiness. So it's very easy to get like nazar. Very easy.
yeah.
And very easy for a lot of bad energies to be attracted at that time. So we do a lot of events at night also. We do haldi,
Yeah,
we do
yeah.
mehndi and all of that in the night only.
My mom is
So-
completely against applying mehendi after sunset. She's like, भाई शादी में मत लगा मेहंदी मुझे चलेगा, लेकिन तू 7 बजे के बाद मेहंदी नहीं लगा रही है.
And what if you've started in the morning and it's gone past 7?
That's fine. I mean, it doesn't
Don't
take that
start,
long.
yeah. Don't start.
It doesn't take
At
that long for you to
4.
apply mehendi, na.
Yeah.
Okay.
छोटा
Straight
मेहंदी
on
रहेगा तो
understand,
ठीक
yeah.
है, but like if you're putting like a full ass bridal mehendi,
For
तो you
a
start early in the
occasion
morning.
maybe?
For a
Yeah,
occasion.
exactly.
I get it.
So,
Yeah.
we have all of these events. So tabhi the groom is given like a chota khanjar or like a
This that I wear,
yeah,
this chotu,
It's a blade.
it's
yeah.
a real blade, and I can never go out of the house without this. All of my family members, extended family members, everyone has this on their body.
You also have a nazar ka.
Yeah, this is just a thing, but like this,
That's
this is why I
aesthetic.
got this.
Guys.
This is why I got this. So we're constantly supposed to have a metal on our bodies, and it's supposed to be tamba or copper, and this is copper,
Okay.
and it's a real blade.
Love.
Oh.
So the
Might use it.
groom is so the
So
groom is
continue.
given like a khanjar
yeah,
or
yeah.
like a talwar, which he cannot leave any single where. He cannot leave it for 2 minutes.
Yes.
Even if he's inside the house, even if he's outside the
What
house.
if he's at an
he cannot-
airport?
Huh?
What if he's at an
अरे
airport?
शादी के बाद तो
Are
हो गया
you
ना.
mad? Shadi tak.
Oh,
Shadi
okay,
tak.
okay. I thought
ऐसे-
all married men had that
No,
always
no,
on
no,
them.
If
no,
you have a
no,
doubt,
no.
don't ask him.
Sorry,
Keep it a
I didn't
secret.
know.
Huh.
I'm trying
So,
to get to the bottom of this.
Before like the wedding ritual start, we do the puja, we give
Hmm.
it to the groom, and we ask the groom to hold it until after the marriage,
Hmm.
so that
Understood.
so that it kind of repulses the
Negative
negative
energies.
energies
Yeah, yeah,
and
whatever.
everything.
We have that, and we also like we make a little potli in a muslin cloth, like a fresh, newly bought muslin cloth with all 7 grains, and like it's like a very chotu this thing, and that along with the khanjar is at the pocket at all.
We do
all
that for the
functions.
brides.
What is the purpose? Like what?
The
It's just
there is chawal and
ward off
It
bad energies.
attracts and keeps the energy in. Like Nimbu, you're not supposed
Nimbu
to go
mirchi.
out
Nimbu mirchi.
on Saturday and step on a Nimbu because that is when like people remove their Nimbu and put it on the street.
Never on
You should
Saturday.
Never. You should
Never.
never
Ha,
stand
never,
on
Never
never
step
step
on
on it
a
obviously
Nimbu.
because you get that bad spirit in you.
Hmm.
But Saturdays, like every week, you have
Ha,
to
ha.
change. Now, so Saturdays, people remove it and they throw it on. So anytime I'm going out on a Saturday or like anywhere, like if I'm going somewhere on at a time where all this happens, तभी my mom will always be like, नीचे देख कर चलो, नींबू पे पैर मत देना.
Yeah,
And then she's like
always.
very paranoid
Yeah.
about
Always.
that.
You know,
stuff.
when
My mom has taken me home back and then utharo-fied my nazar
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then taken
you know
me
about
back.
like like taking out the nazar. So when I was little, my grandmom, she used to take my brother and me to get our nazar taken off like very often, and we had this
Yeah.
one like local auntie who used to do it. Okay, and she's very old, and people used to come from far
Far.
off places to her to get her their nazar taken off. Okay, and she had this entire setup. Okay, she used to do it in her house.
Wow.
Profesh.
She was a professional lady. She had it in her house. She used to have like all our gods ka like a thing, like
Yeah,
a
yeah.
setup here,
Mhm.
and in front of that she used to do it. Okay, and I don't know if it's the same with you guys, but how it used to happen for us is, I think they used to take like rock salt,
Rock salt,
Yeah, yeah,
mirchi,
yeah.
lal
like a
mirchi,
big
rai,
red
yes.
mirchi.
Yes.
rai,
I don't
the
remember the
mustards,
exact ingredients.
and then thodu sa rice, chawal.
Ha. She used to do all of that, and then she used to. I don't know if that was like holy water or
Sometime
something.
alum also.
Now, I don't know the
Yeah,
exact
I
specifications.
know everything about this.
She used to do that like how many? I don't know how many
Few
times.
times.
7 times.
They say some things like
Yeah,
my
yeah,
parents. They
definitely.
say some things. इसकी उसकी नजर, उसकी भी नजर, इसकी भी नजर,
सबकी
किसी की भी
नजर.
नजर मेरे बेटी को लगी हो, वो जल के राख हो जाए.
हाँ.
And then
This
if
is what they
the
say.
so
This is
what
the
my
two-
mom does at home is with only chilies, and if
Yes.
there is a smell,
Yeah,
that
yeah,
means
yeah,
there
yeah,
I
is-
was coming to that.
yeah.
Yeah.
If there's a smell, then that means there was no nazar. But if there's no smell, then that means there was a lot of nazar.
No,
Yeah.
no,
For
no.
us,
For us,
it's
it's
for us,
ulta.
for us, how it is that you do all of that,
Hmm.
and if the rock salt or something, if it becomes black,
Black. Yes.
and
yes,
that's
yes,
what
yes,
I cannot
yes,
explain, because I'm like,
Yes.
how is that happening?
Yes.
If it
Yeah.
becomes black, there is nazar. If it doesn't
Yeah,
become black,
There's no nazar.
So for us,
I've
it's like
I've
if
never had an explanation as to how that happened. I've
Same.
always looked
Dude,
at it.
all of this is you can't explain this.
And
shit.
I'm
Exactly.
like,
You
I
can't
used to ask
explain
my
this.
grandma, I'm like, how does this happen? She's like,
Exactly.
don't ask me. Just
Yeah.
get it done and let's go home.
So
It
for
was
us,
so creepy.
so for us, it's the smell, the black color, and the dhua. And every single time, my dad has done it, my mom has done it. It has smelled very bad in the house. Once, I think, I wore a sari and I went out for function, and a lot of people complimented how I looked. Then my mom was like, instantly, she like, we have to get a nazar out. And then my dad did that, and it was smelling so bad. All of us, like, tears rolled down our eyes. It was that bad.
So, but like if you take a dried mirchi, don't do anything to it, and you put it on the gas, wo smell aayega. So that's the logic that we use. I don't know. So
it doesn't smell the same. We don't use dried mirchi. We use in my house especially we use powdered mirchi.
so my mom uses dry mirchi, and if you
Hmm.
just put dry mirchi on the gas,
Of course.
बहुत बुरा स्मेल आएगा.
हाँ.
और अगर नजर उतारी है तो स्मेल नहीं आता है, and अगर नहीं मतलब नजर नहीं थी तो
तो
स्मेल
smell
आता है.
आएगा.
I don't know.
Yeah, see,
My
certain
mom
things I
also-
just
so,
don't think there are
yeah.
explanations
Every
to.
Saturday
और वो ये mustard seeds भी ना तड़ बहुत करता है. If you generally put it, yeah.
Ranveer Singh up.
हाँ, what do you say?
So generally, if you put mustard seeds in a hot pan,
Yeah.
उतना नहीं होता.
होता है भाई.
होता है.
बहुत
अरे,
होता है भाई.
तेल में डालते तो होता है.
अच्छा you're not putting oil in the
No.
अच्छा, okay.
गैस
Don't
चालू है
put
कि
oil.
नहीं?
गैस चालू है ना भाई.
अच्छा, मुझे नहीं तो डब्बे
No,
में भी
this
तड़-
was
तो डब्बे में भी तड़का होता
Sanjana,
है फिर।
gas
This was
light
worse.
This was that
This was
question.
worse.
If you have a doubt,
I
don't
will-
ask.
गैस
I
लाइट
will-
मत कर
I
अभी.
will-
That is Srushti's secret.
I will question everything when it comes to superstitions.
And you
Some
got
things don't have
mad at me for
explanation.
explaining why like married men are going around with knives at the airport. You know, that was a
But
real
that was a
question.
stupid
That was
question.
still
No, you
valid.
said you used the word
Wait.
marriage and not wedding.
Yeah,
That was
yeah.
still
That
valid.
was on you.
Yeah,
that was
yeah,
not.
Yeah.
That was valid. That was not.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay,
I'm on your side, babe.
Like, I'll just make sure
can we continue?
somebody's
Yeah,
put
so-
nazar on this episode.
So I was
No,
saying-
no, Nazar.
भाई यार.
Tu.
इसके
Yeah.
बाद निकाल.
We have
And
to
guys,
say
we
it.
are not superstitious at all. That's
At
what we
all.
started at.
No, you guys
Actually,
said
I
that.
said that. Yeah.
I
मैं तो
am.
नहीं किया तू.
Sorry, I'm very. bleh.
And we have this thing in our village also. Okay, so we believe that there is this one powerful entity which is known to be the protector of the village. We call him the Rakhandar. A lot
yeah.
of Konkani fans and a lot of what do you say, Malwani fans can relate to this. So we have this Rakhandar roaming around in the village at night, and you can hear the footsteps.
Yes.
And some of the
You believe that?
families,
No,
Might-
she's mentioned this before.
No,
Yeah.
but like, okay,
some of the
Haan, yeah.
families even keep out the food,
okay.
and many believe that he eats it. But again, there are a lot of cows and a lot of
Yeah,
animals
that
and
to-
everything.
that can
But
be
it's just
explained.
the belief that
Yeah, of
you know
course.
the families do it, the people in the village do it, and he has a specific path. Okay, so if you make something in his path, it's going to be destroyed. So this happened with our neighbor. They made a cow shed. No cow was there, but they made it on his path.
Just for
a lot of
shits.
villagers told him that don't do this. You're not supposed to do this. It's his way. And he was very adamant about it. He was like, I've purchased this land and I'm not going to let it go to waste. And he still built a cow shed, and he was going to get his cows the next day to put them there. There was like a lot of thunder and lightning that happened that day, and it started raining out of nowhere. And somehow the cow shed was just like destroyed.
So I want to know what happens if this path is already defined. What happens when you go late at night and follow this path? Will something happen? Something good? Something like if you just follow the path at
So
night.
my elder chachu,
Yes.
he was like very curious about this. Okay, so
Yeah.
once at
Us.
night,
Yeah, I'm damn like.
once at night he was just like loitering around and he stood near the mandir. He was like, I want to see it, I want to see it. And then he saw this like huge figure with like a big shawl and like haath mein itna bada danda, like walking and making the danda sound. But he tried to, as soon as he was trying to go near it, he could see the person going farther and farther away. And then
Damn.
he even asked a lot of people in the village, and then they said that just don't fuck with this entity. Don't, be so curious.
But if it's meant to be a protector, why are people afraid of it?
The people aren't afraid of it.
I mean,
People
why
are just
why is it a taboo
respecting.
that that okay, fine.
Don't fuck with
People are
it.
just respecting his
Fair, I
space,
guess.
maybe.
Yeah.
I think this entity is not gonna like the fact that I said don't fuck with it. So like I would like to formally apologize.
Aren't you not superstitious though?
Dude, I do not want to fuck with this. Like if I'm being so honest.
You are a little stitious.
I'm not stitious. I'm safe. I want to be safe.
I just remembered a Michael Scott dialogue. I'm not superstitious. I'm just a little stitious.
Oh my god, Ritika, you were asleep in the beginning. Anyway.
And again, I
Anyway,
have this one
Thodi
story
slower.
from my
Uh-huh.
village. My Gao is only very superstitious. It's inherited. It's
Your
inherited.
cows? Scary.
We don't know what it's like, no.
We don't know. Oh.
Arey. Yeah, to suspicious.
We would know,
Uh,
but
Go on.
it's my secret.
Yeah.
It's my village secret.
देख यार ये हक दे दिया कभी अच्छा जोक था यार
yeah.
सुन
So
बहन।
my belief is that Srushti kills all jokes.
हाँ, that is something we strongly believe in.
We
Strongly.
Okay.
Is it logical? Yes.
Yes.
So
Is it
there's
practical?
this-
Yes.
explanation hai. Proof bhi hai.
So there's this chotu sa mandir.
Careful with that
How
word,
did you-
babe.
How? Did you not? You walked right into that. You saw it coming and you were like, I'm gonna go there. छोटू सा भी यहाँ पे कैसे?
वही बोली थी बहन फिर से नहीं तूने रेड भी पहना है आज
Oh.
Oh man.
Hey, 32 million.
और होंगे यार जाने तो दे.
So there's this
small
small mandir while our way to the
Yeah, on
village,
your way.
and we always stop to it. And this mandir has a lot of I don't know if I've talked about this in the ghost stories episode, but this mandir has a lot of jhulas and ghantis.
Jhula
See,
culture
yeah,
is so prominent in the Konkan region. I like superstitions until they are unserious.
Yeah.
Like
Oh yeah.
I like unserious superstitions so much.
Until they're
Actually,
serious.
I'm a fan. So one of my favorite like parts of growing up even was whenever like girls or like boys whatever in your school would fully make you believe that your school is made on a graveyard, and this is every school. Listen, like part of you
Yeah.
was like 6 years old and was like, nah, this is bullshit. But then you're like, but
Is
like
it?
what
Yeah,
if?
like,
Maybe.
Our school in fact had
Literally.
a
Old
workers
house.
quarter,
Yeah.
Oof.
right? And we
What?
called that the bhoot
Haunted
bangla. That was
house.
literally, bro, these
called it
fuckers, they
the
were smart, huh? They wanted children to have personality, okay?
No,
So
but
what they
that
used
was
to
great,
do,
huh? It was great.
what they used
was
to do,
actually
what
very
the children
scary.
used to do was there was a garden,
Hmm.
and then attached to the literal garden was like this
Bhoot bangla.
laborer's quarter. So any booth bangla is what we called it.
Yeah.
And if you could like go inside and go to the washroom,
Hmm.
especially that was at the very end,
And
you were very, very brave.
So,
And I'll just like to
Wow.
add that I went there multiple times, nothing fucking happened. I was a
Yeah,
bad
bro.
bitch from the beginning.
Love.
I used to go
Same.
there. I used to actually send someone and then make no karke fuck.
no, but So the
Nobody
thing
did
is-
that. I didn't have friends.
The thing is that's path, especially in the rains, it used to get very like flooded, and there was a lot of
Alley.
moss
Yeah,
and
yeah,
like
yeah, yeah,
algae,
yeah,
and
yeah.
it was like
And it was
really at the
very
corner,
dark.
like inside
There
it
was no
it was
light.
not kept properly.
Right.
So
Yeah.
and it wasn't even like a workers' quarters, because even they used to barely go. It was like an
Yeah.
abandoned
Fair,
place,
fair.
Yeah.
and it was very dusty. It was very dark. There was barely any
Barely,
light,
Yeah.
and at the end of it, there was this one broken toilet,
Yeah.
and
Uh-huh.
that
And it
entire
smelled bad.
space was like turned to be like a bhoot bangla.
Fair.
And
Yeah.
bro, I had a lot of fun playing over there.
They were
With my-
so
with my group,
smart
because-
with
Yeah, man.
like
Same,
putting it right beside the garden.
Yeah, and in
Yeah,
a
yeah.
convent school.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
So that just makes this fucking story 10 times better.
Wow.
Yeah.
And so our garden was in the middle. This
The
workers
nun was
thing-
based on our
the
school.
nun actually was shot in our school.
The nun was from our school.
So yeah, and like the garden was in the middle. This thing
Hmm.
was at the side, and then to the other side of it, there was this other like a house, like a big house, which a professor used to, I think, live in.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Yeah, I
he
think
lived
so.
there.
Yeah.
I think so
He
too.
lived for a
And
while.
like that.
Bro, you didn't have to fucking say that. He
Let's
lived for
skip
a
it,
while.
let's skip
Arey,
it.
uske-
Let me continue. Sorry.
No, I mean it's like there's nothing more to say about it. It's just like that also looked haunted.
it did look haunted.
It's
Okay.
just something about convent schools, I have to say.
Yeah.
And like my school, we had like a church beside it, so
Oh,
it
yeah.
made it even more
Bro,
like
that church is one of
real.
the beautiful,
I agree.
most
I
beautiful
agree.
churches in Bombay. No,
Yeah,
but
so-
bro, do y'all have this thing where like don't cut your nails in the night? Or
Yeah,
something?
yeah, yeah.
You
Yeah,
do
yeah,
believe
yeah.
that?
Yeah,
No,
I
I
know
don't
after
believe it.
sunset
Oh.
you're not supposed to.
I don't.
But for us, it's like you have to live like the prophet, and the prophet didn't do that, so like you shouldn't do that.
The only logic I think we follow is पहले जमाने में लाइट नहीं
Like
थी,
same.
हाँ वही.
तो कुछ भी तुम काट देते तो तुमको समझ नहीं आता तो
हाँ, same.
वही होता
that's the
होगा,
only
पता
logical
नहीं।
reason I have to this superstition
Same.
for sure.
Yeah.
Same for you, no?
Whatever.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
No, I just found that very
They're
illogical.
silly. I
Yeah,
like
it's just
arguing
cute.
with my parents about that.
I like
Yeah,
arguing
yeah,
that. And then when my grandmom used to say, "Don't open the umbrella in the house," like, huh?
अरे भाई खाली कैची मत चलाओ.
खाली कैची मत
खाली कैची
चलाओ.
मत
चलाओ.
खाली
झगड़े
कैची-
होते हैं.
Even
कैची में पैसे भी ना दो, फिर
हाँ,
कैची
हाँ.
में कुछ लो भी ना.
This
Yeah.
my dad says a lot कि किसी को पैसे ना ऐसे कैची करके
Yeah.
मत दियो.
नहीं, I've
हाँ.
never done this,
ऐसे
bro.
दियो.
Even I've never done
I
it.
only do it for swag.
It feels bad.
I will like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
और चाबी भी मत घुमाओ.
मैं
चाबी
का
मतलब
तो
if
पता
there's a
नहीं.
crow on your window
मैं वो
and
करती रहती हूँ फिर उठ जाता है.
if there's a crow on your window,
इसलिए मत करो.
wow guys, if there's a crow on your window and the crow is like caw, caw,
Cawing.
cawing, that means you have guests at home. You'll get guests at home that day.
We तो my mother तो strongly believe it's my दादाजी. Strongly. And then she'll put out bread instead of chapati because she knows दादाजी didn't like chapati.
And guess
He was
what,
a
guys?
cow
The
man.
crow does not care.
No, he eats the bread, yeah.
Yeah, he would eat the roti also.
I know. But who'll tell my mom?
Okay.
crow.
Yeah, so I like
There's
silly
also one more.
superstitions.
चप्पल उल्टा मत रखना वरना झगड़ा होगा.
हाँ भाई.
Bro, मेरे घर पे आज तक झगड़ा होता है क्योंकि मेरा चप्पल उल्टा रखा है.
Try fixing that maybe.
Yeah.
I'll try. So like, why the jhagda breaks out is my dad will come to me. He's like, चप्पल सीधा करो. I'm like, कर दो
नहीं
ना
करना.
सीधा. नहीं
करना
कर दो ना सीधा. नहीं तुम करोगे. वो उस बात पे झगड़ा होता ही है. I think
That is the superstition.
तू
That's it.
तू चप्पल पहनी मत.
अरे
तू उल्टे पाँव घूम.
गंजी चुड़ैल. Can you edit me bald for a second?
and put a green filter on her.
Yeah. Cheers, guys.
Fuck that. I don't do it.
You don't want to do it anymore. So Sanjana,
Oh,
when
yeah,
we were
I was so enthusiastic about saying this one
Say it, yeah,
superstition.
say it.
Yeah, we were on a break and then I tried to give her a segue and this is what I get. Say it.
Yeah,
Are you
I mean,
Megan Thee Stallion?
So yeah, again, like cheersing people and then
Not
keeping on
taking a
the-
sip.
not having a sip and then some fucking 7 years of bad luck.
No, it's called 7 years of bad sex.
Ooh.
It said that if you
Who are
What
you
is
hanging
it?
out
What
with?
is it when it's 21 years of no sex?
21 and counting.
if you do a cheers and then you keep it down, it
Oh, is
means
it
that
because I
you'll
don't
have a bad
drink?
sex. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my god, that makes sense. It's not worth it, guys.
Oh my god! Now I know because when I was introduced to this, my dad introduced me to this. So he wouldn't tell me that bad 7 years of bad sex. That would be bad parenting. That's why I have been introduced to the wrong kind of superstition.
Yeah.
We would like to correct our source, guys.
Yes, Dad, what the hell?
Our facts were wrong. We really do apologize. We'll post a formal apology on our story. Do check it out.
My source of my last superstition was my papa.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Papa
Check that
Meri
out.
Jaan.
Apology up on Instagram right now. Speaking of, and here's me wrapping up.
Sorry.
Speaking of Instagram, guys, why don't you go on ahead, follow us on Instagram, watch all of our reels 5 times because that means that you will have 10 years of good luck.
Yeah.
Yes, it's true.
And
It
forward it to 10 people and then tell them to forward it to more 10 people.
Tell
Yeah.
them also to watch it 5 times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then watch that Salman Khan movie, which I forgot the name of.
Jai ho.
Jai
Jai
Ho.
Ho.
Thank you, mat bolo.
That was very superstitious.
And while you're at it, don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment down what weird, silly superstitions you guys believe in.
How about we
and
get a fortune teller's ball?
oh yes,
emoji?
Yeah.
That would be nice.
Fortune
Yeah.
teller's globe? I don't know what it's called.
Like
Globe,
yeah,
yeah.
whatever.
Like a
You know
glowing
what we're
globe.
talking
You know
about.
what? The purple thing.
The purple. one.
Insert, please.
Yes,
I'm so sorry.
Sorry. So- but yeah, do all of that.
Yeah.
The usual. And yeah.
And for all you listeners listening to us on Spotify, please give us a good rating. Follow us on there. And until next time,
Stay Besharam.
Bye bye.